In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a taxi booking site in Wix. Whether you're launching a new taxi service or just wanting to provide online booking for your existing fleet, having an effective website is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, we start by choosing a suitable template. Wix offers a variety of templates specifically designed for transportation services, and some are even tailored for taxi services. This is a great advantage because these templates are already structured to accommodate the essential elements you need for your site. When selecting a template, think about your brand style and the functionality you require. It's important to choose a template that's not only visually appealing, but also functional for your business's unique needs. Once you have selected your template, take some time to explore its features and layout. Familiarize yourself with how the site is structured and start envisioning how you can customize it for your unique service offerings. Next up, adding a booking system is crucial. This feature allows your customers to book rides directly from your website, streamlining the process and making it more efficient for both you and your clients. Although Wix doesn't offer a dedicated taxi booking app, there are still many options available to implement a robust booking feature. One way to do this is by using the booking tools that Wix already provides. These are general tools, but can be quite flexible when it comes to customization. You'll be able to tweak the settings and the interface to better suit the specific needs of a taxi service. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more customized experience, you might consider exploring third-party apps that integrate seamlessly with Wix. For instance, apps like Bookio can be a fantastic choice. Such apps are designed to handle booking logistics and can support multiple integrations to ease the workflow. They typically offer a suite of features like calendar integration, client reminders, and payment processing, which can greatly enhance your service offer and customer experience. Once your booking system is integrated, test it thoroughly to ensure it works seamlessly. Envision the website from a user's perspective. Book a test ride, and pay close attention to the process's fluidity. A smooth process is vital to ensure that customers can seamlessly book a ride without any hitches. Always remember that a successful website combines both form and function. Your ultimate goal should be to have a visually appealing site that also provides an easy and efficient way for customers to book taxi services. With these steps, your Wix site will not only look great, but it will also be a powerful tool in growing your taxi business. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating your very own taxi booking site on Wix. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy website building!